get this error message which say encounter an unknown error retrieving your data with United States Citizenship and Immigration Services website, which is USCIS. Now, make sure to follow these instructions very carefully, and they'll guide you on how to resolve this issue. Now, this is a very common problem. If you go to the various forums like the USCIS subreddit forum, you can see those people complaining regarding the same issue. And the reason I see this message is because it's not you, the issue is on the end. This error usually occurs when system maintenance is causing an outage. During this period, users may experience technical difficulties using USCIS online tools. Please wait and try again later. So it's not you, the issue is normally on the end, and it occurs due to an outage. You just need to wait for a few hours, allow up to 24 hours, and the issue will likely resolve by itself. So don't worry, this is a very common problem, and it occurs when their servers are down due to system maintenance causing an outage.